Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. I am Aishwarya Saxena and in today's video, I am going to talk about some more interesting concepts. So today's video is concerned towards the data types only. In the previous video, if you have watched that video, you must be knowing that I have started with the Repellent and two programs I have discussed. This was addition program and the second program was of simple interest. So I'm just talking about some basic data types. My main agenda towards this video is to discuss some basic data types along with the Repellent because many people have asked for the online IDE exploration. So that's why I am discussing the online IDEs in this series. This does not mean that I will be not discussing the offline stuff. Offline IDEs also we will be doing with the coding and all with that. And also more IDE I will introduce. So there are going to be 150 plus videos with lots of concepts of Python programming along with the projects in this series. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in all the further videos. So simply, I'm going to create a new program file here. And as I have discussed the integer and float in the previous video, so I will be simply talking about a string. And you know that it is quite simple. Suppose I want to enter a name that is a string. Here I can take input function, and then we can directly write, enter your name, suppose. So whatever you want to enter, you can enter and you can print it directly. Name is and the name. And let's run it. Quite simple. It will be just printing the name, whatever has been input. Like, let's say I have taken here Akansha Singh. And here you can see with the spaces, it is able to take the values. Simply string means that the multiple spaces will be handled. It will be handling the statements. When you're writing the name and you're giving the spaces, then it is a statement actually. Let's say Ajay Kumar Singh, like this. So this is very simple. Let's see one more program. And yes, I just you can see I just cut it here and I just create a file here. If I just take here a new file, so pro3.py, so my files are all getting saved here. This way you can also save your files and simply keep it with you. You can download the entire folder, so all your stuff will be present in your laptop. Also, if you are working offline, it won't be creating any issue. You can keep it here also and you can download it. Both the things are valid. Now, if you want to work with a single character, so what can be done? Suppose you want to work with a single character. So character means single alphabet. Suppose I'm taking here ch equals to input and I'm writing here enter a character. And here I just take print a message character is ch, suppose I've taken. Now, okay, sorry. Now, if I run this code, so you will be able to see that whatever character we are entering, suppose R, so it is printing R. If I am taking here G, so it is printing G. If I am taking here A, so it is printing A. Very good. But if I take here, suppose after reading the message that enter a character, still the user is printing complete word. So you can see it is printing the complete word because the input function actually takes input of a string. It is not able to understand that we have to take a single character. So what can be done for that? In that condition, we can take here a 0 and this 0 will be actually making it to take input just a single character. Now, if a person is giving complete word also, then also it will be able to capture a single character. Suppose I have written by, so you can see it's still taking a single character only. And that is the correct thing which should be done according to our program. So let's rerun it. Enter a character. Let's say I'm writing here computer. You can see a complete word we have written, but it's taking a single character only. So it's quite simple, you can see. And here with this, I will be like, okay, I can just keep it once again in this folder. You can just keep the like correct directly. Also, you can create the files and maintain them like this and just save them. So I have told you this thing that you can download your complete this project which I have created, coding stunts underscore series, this way into your system. In the next video, I will be going back to the ideally, and I will be discussing some data types there which are like related to list, tuple, and all. So that video is going to be really very important and interesting. So make sure that you subscribe the channel Coding Stunts. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep coding, keep learning.